Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Just wanted to send out a recap from our group event that took place in Missoula, Montana. We got there a day early, my wife and I, and the pictures just don't make up for the actual beauty that was there. Nothing really replaces getting to lay your very own eyes on it. I mean, the mountains were beautiful. We were able to check out some buffalo. We saw some bear, an eagle, deer. I mean, it was really, really nice. But we had some awesome lunches and some great dinners. Our Wednesday reception, this guy cooked out again. I love cooking out. It's just a great way to get to see everybody and visit with one another while we're breaking bread. Thank you, Brian Pickens and the Transolution team, for your awesome hospitality. I know everyone had a wonderful time visiting your shop. Hey, we broke into our U group, net group, and results group, and did our observations at the store. Everybody participated and did a fantastic job, but I did want to recognize Fred Wilson. You know, Fred put in some extra time and just really raised the bar on these employee observations, and he sent a very detailed report to Brian and myself, which very, very helpful. Great insight, so thank you, Fred. I'm excited because so many people came back fired up and putting some things into action. I know we left Brian, we split into our 3 groups, and we left Brian with some terrific ideas that we believe will help out his continued success. You know, what can we do to get to maybe this $2 million store to $3 million, right? Very doable at that location with the team they've got in place, with maybe just a couple of additions. Keep up the great work over there, Brian Pickens. We appreciate you having us over. Just a couple of takeaways. Wow, it was an exchange of golden nuggets, I'll tell you. First off, we had a great time with our Mastering Your Results, the game. As always, great conversation opportunities, great learning. And then we had the winning team, of course. I covered their dollar time buy-in. So that's Mastering Your Results. We had a good time with the game. Always fun. We read and discussed the new 1 Minute Manager, excellent book. You know, it talks about goal setting, reviewing those goals and praising your team, as well as the redirect, right? When things aren't going exactly like you plan on or you set your goals for, and how we can get back on track. I really want to recognize all the members that were there. You guys worked hard, and we dug deep on Thursday, and we were able to complete an entire month of our financial app, the BRAT, right? Business Results Analysis Tool, that's available to all full members. And so, excellent tool, and we were able to utilize it really honestly for the first time. You know, we rolled that out at the beginning of the year, so it's great to see everyone focused on getting their data. And really, that's the biggest challenging part of the BRAT, is finding that data. Brian Pickens regained his dollar time championship ring. There's no ring, but he's once again the dollar time champion, so congratulations to Brian. You know, I don't know if it's his presentation skills or his excellent ideas, or maybe just a combination of both, but it's good to see that we're always having fun with dollar time. That's a staple that'll always be part of our group events. I enjoy it, and I feel a lot of the members do too. Additionally, we had a special guest, Mr. Chris Gerber, you know, the original owner of Transolution, who sold the business to Brian, and he shared some really valuable insight with us on how his journey was coming up as an owner, and some of the things that he went through and gets to reflect on now that he's sold the business. So thank you, Chris Gerber Sr. That was a very pleasure to have you come talk to us. Hey, listen, we're going to do this again October the 2nd at G3 in Raleigh, North Carolina. I'd love to see you there. Show up, and let's be part of this deal, right? Let's do that gold nugget exchange, and let's recharge those batteries and get focused on your business. It's a good time to recharge, you know, learn, to pick up some new ideas, and get outside of those 4 walls for a minute and see what's happening out there at some of these other shops. So If you didn't make this one, I hope to see you in October. Thanks, everybody. Let's finish out the month strong. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.